Gardeners swear by it. 1 tablespoon that turns weak plants into heavy producers. It's not chemical, not store-bought, and definitely not new. This age-old gardener's trick has been quietly passed down for generations. A humble kitchen ingredient that costs less than a cup of coffee, yet transforms tired soil into living gold. Imagine your tomatoes glowing red with flavor, cucumbers crisp and juicy, peppers bursting with color, all from 1 tablespoon. Let's uncover this timeless secret that nature herself approves. Meet Ms. June Harper, age 77, a retired schoolteacher. From Ohio. Her hands may tremble a little these days, but her garden? Never. It's her pride, her therapy, and her reminder that life still blooms, no matter the season. Every morning, as the sun paints the dew on her tomato leaves, Ms. June slips on her straw hat, grabs an old wooden spoon, and whispers, "Time for the morning tablespoon." Neighbors chuckle when they see her, out there before breakfast. But by summer's end, they're the ones standing at her gate asking, "Ms. June, what on earth are you feeding those plants?" Last year, her tomatoes grew so heavy that the vines bent under their own weight. Her cucumbers came in crisp, clean, and cool as spring water. Even her bell peppers, those tricky divas of the garden, glowed red and full like ornaments on a Christmas tree. She gave away baskets to half the neighborhood and still had enough left to make sauce, pickles, and pepper jelly for her church fair. When someone finally asked for her secret, she laughed and said, "Oh, honey, it's nothing fancy, just my morning tablespoon." It wasn't fertilizer from a store or some pricey product she saw online. It was something simple, something old-fashioned, a remedy her grandmother used when money was tight, but gardens still had to grow. That's the beauty of Ms. June's story. It's not about having the best tools or the newest tricks. It's about listening to the soil, trusting what's been proven by time, and caring enough to give your garden what it truly needs, not just what's convenient. Because the secret to a good harvest isn't found on a shelf. It's found in the quiet, consistent love of a gardener who shows up every morning with a spoon and a smile. So if your plants are struggling, or if your garden feels tired this season, maybe it's time to borrow a page from Ms. June's book. Start small, stay steady, and trust that a little natural care can bring life back to your soil and joy back to your days. Because as she always says, you don't just feed your plants, you feed your peace. Secret reveal, the ingredient. Her miracle fertilizer isn't some fancy product in a shiny bag. It's Epsom salt. Plain, simple, and probably already sitting somewhere in your bathroom cabinet. But in the hands of an experienced gardener like Ms. June, it becomes something truly powerful. Epsom salt, also known as magnesium sulfate, is a natural mineral compound that plants absolutely love. Magnesium helps them create chlorophyll, the green pigment that turns sunlight into energy through photosynthesis. Without enough magnesium, plants struggle to absorb nutrients, their leaves turn yellow, and fruit production slows to a crawl. But give them just a little boost, and it's like turning the lights back on in their system. That's the magic behind Ms. June's morning tablespoon. A single spoonful, dissolved in a gallon of water, becomes a gentle, nourishing tonic for her tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers. Once every 2 or 3 weeks, she waters the base of her plants with it. Never too much, never too little, and lets nature take care of the rest. You can almost see the difference within days. Leaves turn a deeper, richer green. Flower buds appear more quickly. Fruit sets stronger and grows fuller. It's especially noticeable in heavy feeders like tomatoes, which depend on magnesium for energy during blooming and fruiting. Peppers grow glossier and sweeter, and cucumbers take on that satisfying crunch every gardener loves. Here's how you can use it, just like Ms. June does. Mix. Add 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt to 1 gallon of water. Stir until fully dissolved. Apply. Water your plants with the solution every 2 to 3 weeks, aiming at the base so the roots absorb it directly. 4. Blossom end rot. Sprinkle a small pinch of Epsom salt into the soil before planting. It helps strengthen roots and prevent the magnesium deficiency that often causes that dreaded dark spot on tomato bottoms. And here's the part Ms. June always emphasizes: don't overdo it. Seniors especially know that in gardening, as in life, more isn't always better. Too much Epsom salt can actually make your soil salty, which locks up nutrients instead of freeing them. If your plants already look healthy, Use this trick sparingly, like a gentle vitamin boost, not a meal replacement. That's why Ms. June measures her morning tablespoon so carefully. It's not about rushing results. It's about balance, patience, and consistency. Her garden thrives not because she uses something fancy, but because she gives her plants what they need, in the right amount, at the right time. So next time your tomatoes look tired, your peppers droop, or your cucumbers stall, remember this little secret passed down through generations of gardeners. 1 tablespoon, 1 gallon, every few weeks. Simple, natural, affordable, and most importantly, it works. Because sometimes, the best fertilizer isn't found in a store. It's found in wisdom, a wooden spoon, and a gardener's quiet love for life that keeps on growing. Why it works? Simple science. Here's why Ms. June's morning tablespoon works so beautifully, and it all comes down to a little garden science mixed with a lot of old-fashioned wisdom. Every living thing needs energy, and for plants, that energy begins with chlorophyll, the green pigment inside their leaves. Chlorophyll is like a solar panel. It captures sunlight and turns it into food through photosynthesis. But here's the key: chlorophyll can't exist without magnesium. It's the central atom in the chlorophyll molecule, the heartbeat of every green leaf. When plants don't get enough magnesium, that entire energy process slows down. The leaves begin to yellow between the veins, the growth weakens, and the plant produces fewer flowers, which means fewer fruits. It's a bit like trying to run a car without spark plugs. Everything else might be there, but it just won't fire up. That's where Epsom salt, magnesium sulfate, steps in. It gives plants a natural boost of magnesium and a touch of sulfur, another essential nutrient that helps restore their strength and color. Unlike synthetic fertilizers that can overload your soil, Epsom salt dissolves easily in water and is absorbed quickly through the roots or even the leaves when sprayed. The result? Faster recovery, greener leaves, stronger stems, and more blooms. For gardeners who've been using the same soil year after year, especially in small backyard plots or containers, magnesium tends to get depleted over time. Each harvest pulls nutrients from the ground, and unless they're replenished, the soil quietly weakens. Epsom salt gives it that missing link back, a quick recharge that helps plants thrive again without disrupting the natural balance. You'll especially notice the difference in tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers, 3 plants that are notorious magnesium lovers. When given just the right dose, they photosynthesize more efficiently, bloom earlier, and produce bigger, healthier fruit. Tomatoes become juicier, peppers turn brighter, and cucumbers stay crisp all season long. But beyond the science, there's something deeply satisfying about using something so simple and natural. No chemicals, no complicated formulas, just a gentle mineral that the earth itself provides. It's proof that gardening doesn't have to be high-tech or expensive. It just requires understanding what your plants truly need and giving it with care. For seniors like Ms. June, that simplicity is what makes gardening such a joy. There's comfort in knowing that a spoonful of Epsom salt and a little consistency can bring life back to tired soil and color back to fading leaves. It's an act of nurturing that mirrors life itself. When you feed what's weak, it grows strong again. So next time you spot pale leaves or sluggish plants, remember this simple science and timeless wisdom. Magnesium is the light switch of your garden. Old gardener's tips. Ms. Harper always smiles when people call her garden magical. She'll wave her hand, shake her head gently, and say with that warm laugh, "Oh, it's not magic, it's maintenance." That's the truth most gardeners learn after decades of trial, error, and love. A thriving garden doesn't come from fancy products or lucky weather. It comes from small, consistent acts of care, the quiet rituals that keep the soil alive, the plants fed, and the gardener's spirit at peace. Her famous morning tablespoon of Epsom salt is just one part of her routine. She pairs it with a few other timeless tricks that cost almost nothing but make all the difference. Crushed eggshells for calcium. Ms. Harper never throws away her eggshells. Instead, she saves them in a jar by the window, lets them dry, and crushes them into a fine powder. "It's my calcium bank," she says, sprinkled into the soil. Those tiny shell fragments release calcium slowly, strengthening stems, preventing blossom end rot, and giving tomatoes and peppers the backbone they need to hold heavy fruit. It's recycling at its finest. Breakfast helping the garden grow. Compost tea for nutrition. Once a month, she brews what she calls her garden tea. It's not fancy, just a bucket of compost, soaked in water for a couple of days. She stirs it with a stick, strains it, and uses the dark, earthy liquid to water her plants. That's my multivitamin, she jokes. Compost tea gives a full spectrum of nutrients, improves soil microbes, and makes plants more resilient against pests and diseases. And unlike chemical fertilizers, it builds the soil instead of draining it. Patience, the gardener's greatest tool. But above all, Ms. Harper swears by patience. Plants have their own clocks, she says. You can't rush a tomato, any more than you can rush a sunrise. She's learned to watch, listen, and wait, to let nature set the pace. When the soil feels right, when the weather softens, when the bees return, that's when growth happens. Not by force, but by harmony. That's what makes her garden feel so peaceful. It's built on rhythm, not rush. Every tablespoon, every crushed shell, every sip of compost tea adds up slowly, quietly, and beautifully. The result is more than just food. It's fulfillment. For gardeners of every age, especially seniors who've tended the earth long enough to know its moods. Ms. Harper's wisdom is a reminder that gardening is a relationship, not a task. The soil gives back what we give it. Care leads to growth. Patience leads to abundance. So, if you're tending your own little patch of earth this season, take a page from Ms. Harper's book. Feed it naturally, love it daily, and trust the slow, steady work of time. Because as she likes to say, gardens don't grow from what you buy, they grow from what you believe. Now that you know Ms. Harper's secret, we'd love to hear yours. Have you ever tried using Epsom salt in your garden? Did it make your tomatoes grow taller or bring your peppers back to life? Or maybe you have your own homegrown trick, something passed down from a parent, grandparent, or even a neighbor. Some gardeners swear by coffee grounds for nitrogen. Others love banana peels for potassium. And a few creative ones even use rice water to boost soil microbes. Whatever it is, your small tip might be exactly what another gardener needs right now. Because gardening isn't just about plants, it's about people. Every garden holds a story, and when we share them, we grow stronger together. That's what makes this community so special, the mix of wisdom, curiosity, and creativity that keeps life blooming in every backyard and balcony. So, tell us below, have you ever tried Epsom salt in your garden? Do you have a natural fertilizer that works wonders? What's your go-to gardening secret, and how did you discover it? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't be shy. You might just see your name and your gardening hack featured in our next Evergreen Seniors video. Let's turn this comment section into a growing guide made by gardeners. For gardeners, a space where wisdom flows as freely as compost tea. Whether you're growing tomatoes in buckets, peppers in pots, or cucumbers climbing your fence, your voice can inspire someone else to keep planting, keep learning, and keep believing that it's never too late to grow something beautiful. So go ahead, share your secret ingredient, your proudest garden moment, or even your funniest fail. We've all been there. Together, we'll keep the spirit of gardeners like Ms. Harper alive, proving that growth isn't just what happens in the soil. It's what happens when we share what we've learned with each other. Your turn. Have you tried Epsom salt? Or do you have your own miracle tablespoon? Tell us below. Your story could inspire the next gardener watching. June Harper says she doesn't garden to get more vegetables. She gardens to keep her heart young. At 77, she's long past the rush of trying to get more. What she seeks now is peace, the kind that comes from feeling the earth between her fingers, hearing the rustle of tomato vines in the morning breeze, and watching life respond to her care. Every tablespoon of Epsom salt, every sprinkle of crushed eggshells, every slow sip of compost tea, it's her quiet way of saying thank you to the soil that has fed her body and soul for decades. And maybe that's the deeper truth behind her morning tablespoon. It's not just a recipe for stronger plants. It's a reminder that even the smallest acts of love can bring great things back to life. When June looks at her garden, she doesn't just see vegetables. She sees patience. She sees growth. She sees the proof that renewal doesn't stop with age, it deepens. You don't garden to escape life, she says softly. You garden to feel it. Because when something as small as a tablespoon can turn drooping leaves into lush vines. It whispers a lesson that goes beyond soil and seeds. A little care still goes a long way. You don't have to be young to begin again. You don't need a big yard or perfect weather. You just need willingness to water, to wait, to believe. That same tablespoon of care you give to your garden, try giving it to yourself. Nurture your body, your relationships, your dreams, even if they've wilted a bit. With steady hands and gentle faith, things bloom again. They always do. That's why June's garden feels like a message. A living reminder that we grow best when we stay kind, curious, and connected. The tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers are just the proof of what happens when love meets time. So if this story brought a smile to your heart, or gave you a spark of inspiration for your next planting day, take a moment to pass it on. Give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves to grow, and subscribe to the Evergreen Seniors, where life never stops blooming. Because here, we don't just teach gardening. We share hope. One story, one spoonful, one seed at a time.